Each competency rating carries equal weight. In order to get an average, numerical values are associated with each rating, okay? So unsatisfactory gives you 0 points. Growth necessary gives you 1. Meets expectations 2. Commendable 3. And superior gives you a point value of 4. All right? Each numeric value is used to compute the average or your overall score. Let's practice. Let's say I receive the following ratings. Now let's put in the numerical equivalents. You add up all of the numbers and divide by the total number of competencies, which is 7. So, as you can see, I will receive an overall score of 2.14. Okay, now let's look at the chart to see what this means. You can see that I'm safely within the meets expectations area on the chart. As you saw before, meets expectations is a numerical score of 1.5 to 2.4. You can see where the others line up here. Let's just say that instead of growth necessary for communication, I rocked a superior. Superiors are worth 4 points, so that bumps my score up to 2.6. As you can see, that gives me an overall score within the commendable area. Someone who scores as commendable, to put it briefly, exceeds the position expectations and performs exemplary work within the scope of their classification. If I were to have the most motivated year of my life and score an overall rating of superior, that would mean that I had made outstanding and remarkable contributions constantly, and that I had performed at a level that was astonishing and was often working outside the scope of my classification. Okay, let's go the other direction. If I had scored between 0.5 and 1.4, I would have a growth necessary rating. This means that my work was inconsistent and that I was not quite living up to expectations. An employee that gets an unsatisfactory rating, quote, fails to achieve all expectations or standards, end quote. Luckily, we had very few of those at the state last year.